We are in Furano, Hokkaido, Japan, and we're going to show you the fun things you can do here. Our first stop is Furano Cheese Factory.
This place turns Hokkaido milk into creamy goodness.
From the cheese factory, we got cheese-flavored soft serve. This is probably the milkiest soft serve I've ever had. It's Hokkaido milk. For 200 yen, we got this tiny cheesecake. It's like the size of my hand. Our next stop is Ningle Terrace.
This wooden village showcases handmade art in every cabin.
Right now I have an umbrella, not because it's raining or because there's sun shining on me, but it's because caterpillars can fall down. You can see little marks. Those were caterpillars.
There's a lot of these little wooden stores that sell beautiful handmade crafts, but in most of them you cannot film. And that is the Ningle Terrace.
Overall, I really enjoyed this place. I enjoyed the shops that have the Hokkaido birds, and so it was really cute. But you should definitely come here no matter what.
This was a great unexpected stop. I actually didn't plan to come here today, but it was close to the cheese factory. So yeah, you should definitely come here. And it's pretty both in the summer and I'd imagine in the winter. Now we are at Farm Tomita.
This spot bursts with lavender as far as you can see.
We got lavender soft serve from the farm. And that is Farm Tomita.
I really enjoyed the view from this place, and the lavender ice cream is also really good. I just wish it was a bit less crowded and getting in here was easier.
I agree with what brother said. You should definitely check this place out when you're in Hokkaido, especially if you're here mid-July, because that's the peak lavender season. And the views are just incredible. But there are a lot of people and a lot of tour buses. Look over there. It's time to check out Flower Land.
This place transforms Furano's fields into a sea of flowers.
Hokkaido is known for their honeydew melons, so we're gonna try some. And that is Flower Land.
It was cool. I really enjoyed the view, but the flowers were nice.
This was a cool place, and I think it's more of a local secret. I almost went to a different flower farm that cost 500 yen a person, but then it seems like that one's more touristy. And after going to the lavender farm, I wanted to go somewhere with fewer people, so I think this was a good choice. We drove to the Blue Pond, and there was a very long line to get here, and this is it. But on Google, it looks bluer. A few minutes from the Blue Pond is Shirahige Waterfall. We are at Tokachidake Observatory, and here you can see an active volcano in the distance. You can smell sulfur, and there's something coming out of the volcano. It's pretty cool, and this is one of those places that the picture doesn't really do justice how cool it looks. There's no parking fee and no waste, so this is a good place.
See you in the next video. Bye!